What is this?
It looks like a suitcase.
It's tax season.
You're going somewhere during tax season? You crazy?
No, you're crazy.
Oh, I'm the crazy one.
If you want to see where we're going, come along. I don't know, Murph. This weather does not look promising.
Yeah, we're going to be in the city, so it's going to be a different set of weather there.
All right. Next up, we're going to lunch. We've arrived here at Angelones. Are you hungry?
I am hungry.
Let's go. David Portnoy has been here to Angelones in Caldwell, New Jersey, featuring the Thinny Thin Bar Pizza. He really praised it and gave it an 8.8. Let's see how they do on the Murphy scale. Pretty nice, huh? Look at it in here, Murph.
Beautiful.
Thinny Thin, often imitated, never duplicated, eh? Love the stained glass windows. And look how romantic it is in here. This would be a perfect spot for Valentine's Day.
Oh.
Great menu, huh? Look at that. Wow. Lots to choose from, Murph. Holy cow. The menu's massive. They even have some specialty pie, too. Look at that. Little appetizers have arrived. I see some garlic knots in there. I see some bread. And I see some butter. So what would you like me to try first?
I think you should try some of them amazing garlic knots there. Ooh, they're like miniature
small,
garlic
like
knots.
bite size, and there's garlic on top.
Uh-huh. That'll get the juices flowing, huh?
First bite, it definitely explosion in your mouth.
The flavor explosion, as it were. My turn.
Oh, yours is a little bit bigger. Nice.
I got a biggie.
Nice.
It is a flavor explosion.
Told ya. And there it is, the Thinny Thin.
Half pepperoni, half sausage, and a little extra sauce. The cheese goes right up to the edges, and it's crispy, and it's thin, and I'm gonna dive in. So, it's a little thin, and crispy on the bottom. Not a lot of drip, so not a lot of grease. And with that little extra sauce, this is a dynamite pie.
All right.
Do you need some help, little girl?
No.
Huh?
All right.
Did they not cut your pizza for you?
Wow. You were right about that extra sauce.
Right? You
Wow.
got a little bit. I love the sauce. Well, some other pizza reviewer gave them only 8.8.
Dave Portnoy gave him an 8.8, but you know what? Murphy scale, thin crust, no notes, full flavor,
9.5 all the way.
9.5.
Mm-hmm.
Well done, Angelones.
Thanks, guys.
On to the next stop. Wonder where we're going next. Remember, we're on vacation. And we ain't going back to the office because you don't just make trips to New Jersey for pizza. Who does that? We are on our way to our hotel for the next night. And I like living in Pennsylvania because I don't like traffic. What about you, Murph?
I'll tell you, when we were with Daniel and Yuka in Tokyo,
Oh,
we
man.
drove down to Hello Kitty Land.
Yeah,
Oh, the traffic was terrible.
I know.
And this isn't much better.
Nope, we'll be there in a few minutes. Extended stay, 203. Room tour. One smiling Mr. Murphy. Just like last time, guys. Got a nice counter to put your stuff down. Got a beautiful little kitchen. We got a refrigerator, so that's good for our pizza. Over here we have a nice big bed, 2 nightstands, place to plug in, phone, light, TV over here. Let's show you the view. Typical city view. Rush hour. And let's see that bathroom, Murph. There's the toilet. There's the sink. There's the shower, a little bit of amenities, and one big mirror. What do you think, Murph?
I like it.
And I think our smoke alarm over there is beeping away.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get Jose.
Yep. And what'd you say for how much?
$100.
Not bad. Just for the night.
The bus stop is right outside. It'll take us right into the city and bring us back here at midnight.
Perfect. Thanks to that thing beeping in room 203, we got upgraded. Well, we got aligned over to another room, 225. Again, same setup. Nothing's changed. It's just a little weird because the bedroom is on this side and not this side. And the bathroom's over there and not over here. But the view, I think it's more calmer now that we're not on the street side. So from here, we are going to go to one more stop before we get to our ultimate destination tonight, which everybody knows if you follow us along on our socials, the real reason why we're here. Halsey. This will be the 5th time that we're seeing her. We've seen Machine Gun Kelly 4 times, and we're going to be buying our tickets for number 5 for him too. I know I've said in the past, no Montage Mountain for me, but I'm going to break my abstinence with his concert. He's the only exception to the rule, kids. So we're going to chill out for a little bit, and we're going to take you on to the next stop and to the ultimate goal of the night. Made it to the Port Authority bus terminal. This will take you anywhere you want to go by bus or by train underground. And now we're off to our next stop. I don't know if you guys seen that or not in that last segment, but we had a mentally disturbed individual interrupting the bus terminal where he was literally walking in the street with almost nothing on. I've never seen anything like that before.
Crazy.
How do you like our view? Empire State Building.
Welcome to New York City.
So now we're gonna go to our little snack shop that we're gonna have before we eat dinner, and then we're going to Hammerstein Ballroom. So come along with us. He's already in Halsey mode. We've come to New York City plenty of times, and this is the first time that we're walking up 32nd Street. Right up there is a bridge in between the buildings.
Over the street.
Over the street. This is on the same street as La Boltanisti
And
Madison Square Garden. So we made it over to BBQ Chicken here in Koreatown in New York. Tell me why you picked this place.
Google picked this place for us. They put in a Korean barbecue Manhattan, and these was 3rd on the top of the list.
Okay, then Google sending us inside to eat. We are inside, and this is a Korean barbecue to-go place. So you pick up exactly what you want, and you take it to the register. Oh, lots of stuff is already starting to get cleaned out, but this is going to be good. This is a table for 3 or more people. Can you imagine, Murph? Just 3 of us sitting here at this very big, elongated table. We're in the back of Barbecue Chicken, and people are eating their takeout. We're about to show you what we got to eat. Please poke me.
Oh.
Please poke me. Poka, poka, poka.
Finally broke it.
Look at this. Chicken. We've got corn salad. We've got kimchi. We've got pickles.
Kimchi. Nom nom.
Nom nom. His second drink of the day. Samsun Hari Soju. Strawberry lemonade made fresh to order. Ooh, that's good. And it's a paper straw. It's not plastic. Guide us through what we've got this evening.
This is hot and spicy Korean fried chicken.
Oh, it's definitely hot and spicy.
They're all pre-made. There's various flavors out there. And yeah, it is a little on the spicy side. We also got some nice creamy coleslaw, pickled radishes, kimchi, corn salad, and I'm about to try it all.
And coleslaw. How was it?
Delicious.
David Portnoy, he rates pizza. So now you get to rate the Korean chicken. Just take a little bite. They're a little big. I'm gonna say 7.5 because that was a little too hot for me.
My eyes are watering, but I'm gonna give it an 8.
Just got done eating dinner, and we're walking through Greeley Square. Look how pretty.
It smells funny.
Honey, it's just the smells of the city, okay? Got H&M back there. We're up Bustopoli, West 33rd. We're gonna make our way down to the Hammerstein Ballroom for some Halsey tonight. Come along. We are queuing up. We are going in line inside to Hammerstein Ballroom. And there's our view in the back. Look at him. He is in his glory. He's about to see his multi-million-dollar girlfriend. What's the matter, Murph?
You have 2 glasses.
You tired, Murph?
No.
No.
We're going out on the town.
No, we're not.
New York City, the city that never sleeps.
So what'd you think of the show?
Oh my God.
So good.
I think I might qualify for statehood or sainthood now.
Statehood!
Statehood. I've seen a miracle on stage.
Really good. Hey, guys, if you haven't seen Halsey yet, definitely get out to a show. We're headed back to the hotel and we'll give you our final recap for tonight. I know, we promised you a nightly recap of the day, but instead, we're going to Hula Hands. One more food review before the nightly recap. Wings and things. Look at that, Murph. We got some French fries, we got some mushrooms, some wings over there, and some dipping sauces.
These are like potato skins.
Yeah?
I don't know when the last time I had potato skins was, but
Good.
put some sour cream on those babies.
Yeah? Good stuff.
Tastes like a my brown round.
What am I trying?
Well, there's some mushroom dip, sour cream, on the blue cheese, and I got Tabasco on the side.
What am I trying?
What are you trying? Try a mushroom. Dip it in the mushroom sauce.
Dip it in the right sauce, right?
Yeah. Nom nom. Uh-oh. I think she burned her face off, folks. A little spicy inside?
No, very good.
I'm glad you're liking them.
It's been a day.
Yes, it has.
I have too many breakouts.
Yeah, my glasses won't fit me.
I wonder why.
Too much sun. Halsey in New York City was out of this world.
Yeah.
I think that I qualified for sainthood after all.
Yeah. Hula Hands.
Witnessed a miracle today.
What'd you think of Hula Hands?
Well, they're open to 1 o'clock. That's great. There's so many hotels around here and so few choices
Right.
after around 10 o'clock.
Right. What are you rating them?
You know,
It wasn't as good as last time.
but we didn't eat as much as we
No.
did the last time. We ordered
Nah.
like burgers and something.
Yeah.
And wings and that. This time we just had a wing and thing appetizer.
The potatoes could have been cooked longer.
They could have been cooked a little bit longer.
Mushrooms were banging.
The mushrooms, they didn't have a lot of breading on them. They
No.
looked like they had a lot of breading on them.
Nah.
But they were stuffed with cream cheese too.
Right.
And the wings, we only got 4 wings. I think we should have got 6 wings.
So, what's your score?
7 out of 10. 4 hula hands and sea caucuses.
We're not supposed to say out of 10, so 7.
Oh, suck it.
All right, guys. Going for 1 a.m. out here. We're cooked. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And we'll see you in the next one. Maybe tomorrow.